How to upgrade your flight to Mint on JetBlue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually upgrade to Mint on JetBlue, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can upgrade to Mint online from JetBlue, not from the app, but you have to use your browser. So open up your browser and then just go to the official JetBlue website, and then once you go to the JetBlue website, you will see this type of interface. Just tap the three lines icon over here, and then you want to simply go to the manage trips option. So just tap on manage trips over here. Once you go to manage trips, you can see here it says change or cancel flights, add bags and more. So all you have to do is to retrieve your flight booking. Just enter your last name as well as the confirmation code as well as the ticket number, then just tap the continue button. After that, you have to select your flight and then follow the prompts to upgrade it, confirm and pay. And you must also use the same form of payment you used to purchase your core ticket over here. That is one thing that you need to understand as well. And that is it on how you can upgrade to Mint on JetBlue. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.